Further down in the settings is email services. This might be something that you need to have someone help you set up. If that's the case, I am here to help you with this. You are more than welcome to try to set this up yourself. It is not difficult, it's just a little confusing. So you will automatically be set up in their generic email service provider. I do not suggest you keep it that way because most of your emails will not be delivered into the inbox. It is also important that you set up a separate subdomain for your email delivery. So I set up support.premiumwebsites.net. And if you don't know how to set up a subdomain, again, I can do that for you. There will be another video explaining how to set that up. The lead connector system is what I use. You can see it's checked here. You can add a service if you want. When we click this up, click on that. You need to have an SMTP provider. That would be something like Mailgun, for example. You can use Gmail, Yahoo, SendGrid, or other. Mailgun would be under that other. And that's simply meaning that you're going to use that system to send your emails instead. And there's usually an additional cost to that for whatever system that you're choosing to use. So once your subdomain is set up for this and selected here, you can see right here that it's important that you have your DMARC, your SPF, and your DKIM. It just simply means that the emails that you are sending are verified, that they come from you, you have a clean email record, and you're not going to get put as blacklisted or in somebody's spam. If you don't have these filled out, and again, if you don't know how to do it, it's a matter of adding something to your DNS records. I can help you with that for your system. You can go ahead and set up your reply and forwarding email addresses. So I've got mine in here. If you want to blind copy everybody all the time, you would set that up in here. If you want to forward it to an assigned user, you can set that up here. Email analytics. This is telling you what's going on with your emails. If you have a whole bunch of unsubscribes, you might want to look at what's going on with that. You can see I haven't used this account too much. It says we have 8 delivered and 5 open. That's not too bad. No complaint, no bounces, and no fails. That's what you want to see right down here. It's zeros on this bottom row. If you're having something other than zeros down here, except for the unsubscribed, you might want to have somebody look at your email, how it's configured, to make sure that you do have your DKIM and your DMARC and your SPF and all of that set correctly. That's where the failed delivery will come in. The bounced will come in is if you have the receiving email address is incorrect. Here you've got your bounce classifications, and you can see I don't have any bounces, so it's empty. But this is how you might troubleshoot what's going on with email deliverability. This one is important. Until I connected my Google Postmaster, and this gives you specific instructions on how to do it, my email was not getting delivered to Gmail addresses. This is important. If I click View Details right here, I added the support.premiumwebsites.net into my Google Postmaster. And again, you can see it's connected right here. If it wasn't connected, then it's going to give you a path to do that. So that is the email settings. Again, there's a lot to email, if it gets delivered, if it doesn't get delivered, setting up the subdomain, all of that. If you need technical help on that, please let me know.